loves, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Miko, and I am not in my little glam suite where I usually do my videos. I am away on vacation with the hubby for our anniversary, and I wanted to share with you some of the things that I brought with me for cover-ups slash dresses that could be either or. So I'm going to share with you how I style them to be on the beach or just hanging out, just sightseeing. So stay tuned. Dress that I brought along with me, and I can wear this as a dress, and I also can wear it as a cover-up because it buttons all the way down, so it opens up to give you that cover-up kind of feel, and it has this little fringy thing, and see how it has the buttons, and it will allow me to either wear this, like I said, as a dress, or I can just wear it over my bathing suit. And I found this dress at Forever 21 when the summer was kind of going out, and I found it in a smaller size, and I tried it on and it didn't work for me, so I just ordered online. I just saved it for this summer. Next I have this tunic dress, and it's kind of long sleeve, and I got this from Zara. And you can also use this as cover up over your bathing suit. You could wear this with a dress. You could top it off with your hat like this. Kind of just zhuzh up the sleeves a little bit. You know, sometimes it's a little cooler, sometimes by the water as well. And just throw on some little accessories, like I said, as far as your hat and your cute little sandals. And there you go. This tunic dress as well. It kind of mimics the other dress, but this one is short sleeve, and I found this in my Goodwill haul, if you guys didn't see this, and I believe it was brand new when I actually found this in the Goodwill. I'm not sure what the price was, and I just had vacation in mind when I saw it. And once again, you can wear this over your bathing suit as well, or wear it out as a dress. Accessorize with it with your hats as well, and your little straw bags, and you're on your way looking cute. Is this mesh ultra sexiness. It has this long sleeve mesh, and of course you can zhuzh up the sleeves with this as well, and you could put anything colorful under this, but you could put a really nice bright pink or whatever you want, because you will see the print through it. And as you see, it kind of had a knot in this as well. And just rock this over your bathing suit. You could take this and put it over some little denim shorts as well, put a little tank under it so it could be a cover up, and you can also turn it into a look as well. So this is one of my cute little finds that I brought with me as well. And lastly, guys, never forget to be creative with pieces as well. And this last piece is something not traditional as you would think it is. It is this really cute, like a robe. It's really long. It could be used as a cover-up, and it has like this little lace detailing on it. And I could just wear this as a cover-up as well as a kimono. So once again, you know, I'm always being versatile with my looks, and put this over, even kind of like what I have on today, as like a cute little kimono. Okay, loves, that is all of the pieces that I brought with me on vacation. So I've also created a lookbook to show you guys how I put it all together. So check that out.
I hope you all enjoyed that lookbook of my vacation dresses and my cover-ups. So if you aren't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit that bell so you'll be notified for any new uploads that I have. And thank you all for tuning in, and thank you to all of my new subscribers who are so wonderful, and I'm loving all the comments for you guys coming over and finding me. So until next time, bye lovelies.